Hot summer can stress your lawn and cause damage if you're not careful. Avoid these common mistakes to keep your garden green and healthy. Overwatering or watering midday. Water deeply 2-3 times a week. Early morning is best to prevent evaporation. Cutting grass too short. Keep grass around 3 inches to shade roots and retain moisture. Using dull mower blades. Sharpen blades regularly for clean cuts and healthier grass. Over-fertilizing. Too much fertilizer in heat burns grass. Opt for slow release and water after applying. Ignoring foot traffic. Rotate heavy use areas and use stepping stones to prevent soil compaction. Skipping aeration. Aerate compacted soil to help roots breathe and absorb water. Neglecting weeds. Pull weeds early or use safe treatments. Healthy grass fights weeds better. Follow these tips to keep your lawn thriving all summer long.